All right, guys, welcome to Oil Part 3. We're finally...
It's been a little bit.
Finally doing it. Sorry this took so long, but we're pretty excited. So today, we are going to actually pour mineral oil into the computer. This is not how it's done.
Imagine the cap just flew off. No, you have to actually be like fairly careful about it, but we'll get to that part.
Yeah, so come along for the ride. The Cooler Master Neptune 240M features an exclusive pump design and their new Silencio fans to provide impressive near-silent performance. Click now to learn more.
So I guess we have to figure out this. We have to figure out the
that.
fan cable management at the back.
Yep.
We have to figure out the
We
rocks.
gotta do rocks.
And we have to do the plant stuff.
You gotta look down to see my rocks.
He's looking down at your rocks.
Yeah?
It's okay. Yeah.
Are they big?
They're actually pretty small.
Yeah, but there's lots
There's a really abnormally large amount of them, though. Okay.
So basically, this needs to plug in, like, kind of there-ish, right?
Ish. It'll be lower than that, but yeah.
And then we can bury it under the rocks as far as we can, correct?
Yeah.
And then we want, like, a nice straight run coming out. Oh boy. I remember this being a bit of a challenge.
We should probably do it with the bench laying on its back.
I remember thinking we should only do this once.
We should mount it from the top.
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it, dog. Here we go. That was a good snap.
Yes, it was.
Yes. This is reattached. Graphics card is back in. This is cable managed. Look at that.
Pry it off.
Oh,
Wall. You know what I mean?
You mean clearance with the fans?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unless the double-sided tape makes it tall enough that it doesn't matter.
No, it's not that thick.
Okay.
Yeah,
we'll
let's just go. We'll go on the underside. So about how long do they need to be? About like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just give you strips. Here.
Sure.
One.
We'll make our own fan controller with double-sided tape and scissors.
Yeah.
And an SSD.
And blackjack.
And blackjack. With a knife. Oh my goodness. There's snips here. There was scissors around not that long ago, and he's still going. Fans don't plug in that way.
Ooh, yeah.
Power and data don't plug in this way. So we need it like... No, because that has to go flush against it, doesn't it?
And there we thought we had such a great idea.
How many fans do we have? 4. Damn it.
Does it look ghetto or does it look cool? Sometimes it's a fine line. Ghetto. Should be fine then. All right, here we go, moment of truth time. We've had a lot of moments of truth.
That's what makes a good build log.
Wow, yeah, it bends to hell, but I might be willing to make that sacrifice. Oh, this is like the most awful thing that I've done to a piece of hardware in quite some time. This is awful. This isn't ghettoing it, this is just poor planning. So, you know how people were kind of complaining about the blue zip tie? Here?
Yes, yeah.
So I figured out how we can balance that out.
Are we going to put it... Oh, no way. Awesome.
Yeah.
Nice. Now it's like light blue, dark blue, pink, and red, and black.
And silver.
And silver.
And your face.
And these Antec fans are some color.
I gotta warn you in advance. I have like some wicked gas.
Oh.
So I'm gonna have to choose
I
between.
thought there was like some legitimate, like there's some crippling issue with the build or something.
No,
well, that is kind of a crippling issue.
Yeah, the build is fine. Well, it's not crippling yet. Nothing's happened. Nothing's happened yet. But if I have to choose between
have, like, a
mild
fan or
mild
something?
stomach discomfort for me,
Or like horrible. Oh, okay.
yeah. So just be prepared. Be prepared because I won't be sparing you.
Did you purposely twist this?
Yeah.
Nice. I
Yeah.
like it.
Okay. So what do we get to
many
do? We
complaints.
gotta.
We gotta kill the man to the back of this.
Okay.
And then.
Why don't you start on that?
Then we're getting pretty close.
This is what happens when you send Nick to buy anything. I said I needed some cotton balls. I meant like 3.
600.
In his defense, who buys 3 cotton balls?
But who buys 600?
Yes. And yes.
Now, I guess it's. Oh no.
That's terrible. Are they exactly the same length?
No.
Oh, not
The new one's
quite.
shorter.
Oh, we're losing like.
Not much.
I think that's like 1/4 of an inch. All right, that's not too bad. Yeah. This is my dreams. They're broken. My dreams of the correct length of bubble machine. Phew. This might take a while. I feel like I'm playing excavator, and I'm like 9.
This like we didn't want impacts, but then we're both like dropping from the top.
Yeah, so I give up. Okay, so this is just a lower down test fit, right?
Yeah, it's for the Reds.
Yep, it's like, I'm good.
Okay, so it's still up on things.
Okay, so rads are there, rads are also there. Oh, that graphics card. Is this all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay.
So to add some positives and negatives, with this one, the grate is right at the top, essentially. Like there's a little bit of a lip, but not much.
Yeah.
And there's a possibility of going inside where you plug your ATX power.
Right,
This one, you're pouring into the case and
Yeah.
then it deals with it.
right.
So if you want to not get oil on you, actually, we should probably put some stuff down. I'm not even kidding. Do you have? Do we have garbage bags here?
We have newspaper. We have copious amounts of newspaper.
It's like not gonna care about your newspaper. Not ideal solution.
Welcome to Linus Media Group, where ideal solutions are not solutions because they're suspensions. You're suspended. I'm not gonna fire you anymore. Just suspend you. All's well. Everything is okay.
All's well. Everything is okay.
Oh my god. Wouldn't that have been a conclusion? So we broke both the rads and the back of the computer. Okay.
So this is it. Moment of truth.
You want to make sure you don't miss, but then also make sure they don't go too quickly. There you go.
Do you want to see if it's disrupting the rocks?
I don't think it is.
Don't get in the way of the cameras, though.
I won't. No, it's fine. It would probably kill you if you could see it. But it's fine.
Yeah, I'm missing everything.
Yep. first shot. He goes in for the 3 points. Will he? Yep, he's fine.
I've poured water before, so that helps.
Get it?
I splashed! No, it's okay, I got this. There's something to this, it's not...
Do we need to snip those things then?
Maybe.
Holy crap. Oh my goodness.
And then,
Then that pulls out.
you pull this out. All right? Yep. No, I'm good, I got it.
It splashed my face.
It's okay, a little mineral oil is good for the complexion.
I wonder actually.
Probably not. So close. Oh, terrible. Okay, well. Okay. Dang it. I'm going in.
Just don't drop the paper down. Just GG.
A piece of it went in.
Oh no.
Hold on, I wonder if we can retrieve it. We
You
need like a stick or something. Tell me if I'm near
way
it.
off.
Hold on.
Oh god. You don't want to.
Did I get it?
Nope.
Shoot. Okay, that's one.
Okay, now backtrack.
I gotta pull this one out.
Oh yeah.
There. Home free, I think.
Nice, I got that. Nice. Okay.
Captured you, you bastard.
You bastard.
Got it? All right.
Probably okay there. I got you a little bit of the fill line because we're still leaning forward a little bit.
Okay. Okay, so hold on a second. So the fan on the power supply is like right
Yeah.
at the top.
And then this one's about the same.
And then this
like
one's
you
about the
pointed out.
same. Like it's just barely coming out. So are they gonna like whip it around?
I
or?
don't think it's gonna throw it, but you'll have a little bit of like turbulent pickup.
That should be okay.
It should be.
Depending on how fast the fan spins.
I didn't have fans that were that close, but the only experience I have with this is I could turn my pump off externally. So when I flip
Right.
mine up, I would have my pump off. So it
Right.
would go through fans, and when it first touches them, it just throws it all freaking over the place. But I've never
Right.
had it like really permanently where it's right near the edge. So we'll see. It'll probably be fine though.
Right.
We should see how the bubble maker works though.
Yeah.
Because if we need to eject
Well, we
the bubble
can,
maker,
because we can turn the fans off on the graphics card using custom curves and afterburner, or turn
yes,
them very low.
we won't be able to do that this second
Right.
because we have to get everything working.
The power supply we can turn off immediately. It
'Cause
has a
of,
switch on the back for the hybrid mode.
Eco mode or
Yeah.
whatever.
Okay, well let's see the bubbles first, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna see the bubbles without the lights. I guess we'll add lights later. Okay, I want a good angle at this. I poured the mineral oil, so I didn't get to see any of it. I'm
Yeah,
gonna have to
yeah.
watch my own video. There's a screw hanging out of the pump. Oh no, it's okay. Oh my goodness, it is
You can't see
amazing
the acrylic.
how clear the acrylic
Yeah.
gets.
Yeah.
I was like, one of the screws holding the top on is hanging out.
That's what I was telling Nick Burkle, is that everything looks extremely clean. Like it looks
Wow.
super clean. Look at the metal on the graphics card.
Yeah.
It looks perfect
Wow.
because it is constantly oiled. It's like you oiled up something so it would
Yeah.
look cool and then left it that way forever.
All right, fine, carry on.
Ready?
Oh my goodness, I freaked right out. The bubbles are awesome. So our pump's a little bit on the OP side, I think.
Yeah.
We got like the one for circulating the water in the aquarium, you know?
Yeah. Which is probably good, because circulating the mineral oil will help, but it's a little bit overpowering, so
Yeah.
either we move that back a lot, and that's going to be a huge process, or we buy a different pump.
Yeah, because we tried kinking it, and if you kink it like hardcore, then it's probably reasonable.
Yeah.
Okay, but are you ready to power up the actual computer?
Yeah, let's do this.
Okay.
It came with a right angle power cable, so we need to find that, because that's going to be...
He says that as if it's his
preferable.
idea. He was like, do you have a right angle power cable? And I'm like, yeah, let me go grab it. It came with one. And then Brennan's like, oh, I'm not filming yet. So I just want to set the record straight about how that happened.
That adds a lot of good quality content to the video, Linus. I'm happy that you took the viewer's time explaining that.
Okay, so this is it. If it doesn't post now, then I might as well just end it all. Shut down Linus Media Group, go into hiding in the mountains.
Just completely quit. I kind of hope it doesn't.
No.
Seriously though, that would
No.
make a really interesting next video.
No.
We'd have to like garbage bag off this whole area. We'd
Oh.
have to like
Oh.
get like
Ow.
giant rubber gloves. We'd probably have to wear like garbage bags over our legs and tape them to our legs.
Oh my goodness.
And then
Okay.
we'd haul it out, put it in its own bag.
Do you want to do the honors?
No man, this is on you. I already
No.
built mine.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, the pump's sucking up the oil.
Still not out of here. Is it going across here?
Yep.
Come on. It's still flowing. There we go.
Postcodes are still going.
We're out the other side in
Yep.
terms of oil now.
Yep. Postcode 95, 62.
So those fans look fine.
9C, A2. I think A2 is a good sign.
Is this monitor on?
Yes! 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 There it is. Oh, no part, whatever the part that was going to be the cleaning up part to the mineral oil series.
We might have to move the air thing.
Which one now?
Remember you said moving the...
Oh, moving the bubble maker? Yeah, we're not going to do that. If the bubble maker doesn't please me, then I will turn it off.
We'll see in a couple months. I'll try to convince him if you guys want him to. I want another one. All those bubbles are hiding under the power supply. That looks funny.
Just chilling down there.
It looks like a beta egg farm.
26 degrees Celsius. All right, man.
Happy?
Yeah, this is pretty great, actually. Wait, the grid works.
Hey! Are they all running?
Yeah,
Yeah.
all the fans are running.
Completely forgot about that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the SSD will be fine.
No, I think he meant the one we split in half.
Oh,
that was
no.
a dummy drive.
So, we have officially built and posted the oil-cooled machine. It's kind of freaking awesome. It brings a tear to my eye.
You didn't want to do it for a super long time. And he was super, not okay with it when he first started pouring oil. But after a while, yeah!
Yeah, pour that oil.
Into it.
Speaking of pouring oil, we actually have a sponsor for today's episode, Phantom Glass. So if you guys aren't familiar with Phantom Glass already, basically it's like mineral oil for your phone. It is nothing like mineral oil for your phone. It's okay. It's mineral oil for your phone in the sense that, remember the spots inside that It made it so you couldn't see them.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, Phantom Glass is made from Gorilla Glass, just like the glass that's already on your phone. It uses a nano material in order to make it so there are absolutely no bubbles between it and your phone. And because it's made of Gorilla Glass, it is as strong as the glass that's already on your phone, on top of feeling the same and being just as clear. And because it's so thin, you can actually use third-party protective cases for the rest of your phone as well. It really is the best screen protector that we have ever encountered over here. We're both like pretty strong advocates for Phantom Glass, so big thumbs up. It never peels, and you can take it off and reapply it if you want, which actually came in handy for me when I had to RMA my HTC One M8. So there you go. Thank you to Phantom Glass for sponsoring this episode. It's store.phantomglass.com if you guys want to check it out. And other than that, I guess all that's left is more teasers. More teasers, because we are going to do an episode 4 of Mineral Oil. We'll try not to have it take as long, but the machine is built. This is it. It's done. But what we still need to do is overclock this puppy.
Test it, overclock it, see how hot it is under idle, because that actually is a much different conversation than an air-cooled computer, because instead of figuring out your average idle temperatures in like 10 minutes, it's going to take a long time because you have to let all of the oil hit a mean temperature. We'll have to figure out the temperatures under load, blah, 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 blah. There's a bunch of science that'll be done.
So pretty excited. And of course, we need to do some more glam footage of the finished machine just to show it off in all of its glory. So thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it, leave a comment if your feelings were more complicated than any of this. As always, there's a link in the video description to support us. You can check out our sponsor. You can buy a cool t-shirt like this one. You can give us a monthly contribution, and then you can change your Amazon bookmark to one with our affiliate code whenever you're buying gallons of mineral oil or whatever else it is you buy from Amazon.
Did you buy those from Amazon?
No, I did not.
Oh.
Yeah. Thanks again for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.